Hi, my name is Dr. Max Appenroth. I'm the founder and CEO of Diversity Factory. We're a social impact startup from Cologne in Germany. Plenty of already unfilled positions and even more workers leaving companies within the next few years because they retire cost the German economy every year billions of euros. Additionally, the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive increases the compliance requirements in regards to social sustainability. Our solution is our e-learning platform called I Belong, which is accompanied with immersive virtual reality trainings. This solution helps companies to foster an inclusive environment, to reduce unconscious bias and discrimination, and to help workers to create a sense and a feeling of belonging. In our very first year after founding, we already generated six-figure revenues, and we count renowned companies such as Vattenfall, Takeda and Veleda as paying clients for our e-learnings. This highlights the quality and also the relevance of our work. As founders from marginalized communities, we encountered many obstacles, yet we managed to build a successful business in a short time. Our work promotes social inclusion and positive change, and this is why we deserve this award. My team is Idan, Jana, Manu and I, but most of them are on vacation.